Farland Classic Restoration around the shop, July 2020. Hello from Colorado. We're starting things off this time with our 1966 Porsche 912 electric conversion. That's right, this Porsche 912 will be receiving an electric motor and battery setup to make it an electric classic conversion. Stay tuned as we keep moving on this exciting project. Nearby, we did some intensive paint restoration on this 1997 Ferrari F355 GTS. It's an excellent example hunted down by our customer. We also did leather restoration and dye on the time-worn seats. Here are a few before and after pics. Our crew is outstanding at revitalizing thirsty leather like this and perfectly matching the original color. Like keeping up with classics like this? Give us a thumbs up down below and subscribe. Another nearby car is the mid-century classic Hudson Hornet that we are doing a complete restoration on. It's time for reassembly, and that means chrome, chrome, and more chrome. The subtle paint combo with all that chrome is really striking. On the other side of the shop, we just accepted a 1959 Porsche 356D Cabriolet. This is a very rare variant with the body built by a company called Drowse of Heilbronn. There's only a handful of these around. We are currently disassembling, documenting, and prepping for bodywork. The original paint color on this rarity is ivory, and we'll be going back to that, as well as working with the customer on other options. Finally, there's an odd thing that happens here at Farland Classic Restoration. We get cars in twos. It happens all the time. Two of the same era Corvettes, two 356, two Lincolns, two Jaguar E-Types, two Thunderbirds, two 912s. Well, you get the idea. That's it for July. Remember, you can always subscribe by clicking here. Visit our site here, watch another video here, and please give us a thumbs up below. Have a project? Call the shop at 303-761-1245. Thanks, and see you next time.